Hi smart people, here is this celebrity instructor Allison. So in this smart video tutorial, I want to show you how to walk through this problem. And this is basic algebra, and it will be more important to people in grade 5, grade 4, grade 6, as the case may be, maybe year 7 and that. But it's for everybody, so please pay attention to it. If y is equal to 2, what is the value of 4y? By the way, you need to know the relationship between 4 and y. What brought 4 and y together? So it's just in the likes of, if you have 2 multiplied by a, since this is a variable, a is a variable, 2 is a constant number. If 2 of them comes together, you have to lap, okay? Because this is not a constant number, it's just a variable, unknown number, something. So 2 multiplied by a would just be 2a. So if you have 4 multiplied by y, it will just be 4y. So you could see that the relationship between them, what brought them together, is just multiplication. All right. So now in this question, they say if y is equals 2, that means the value y has been defined. We know the value of y to be 2. All right. So what is the value of 4y? So that makes it a lot simple. Since I have the solution here. Okay, since we have y, since y is equal to 2, so 4y would be 4 multiplied by 2, and the result will be 8. So 8 is the answer to this problem. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video, make sure to share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you get notification. All right, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.